How to fix packet burst on MW3 Steam and Battle.net within your Steam account. So for this we will simply log into our Steam account here and search for the game. That is, simply let me type that is MW3 here on your account, and you have to search for it. Now we will click on the game here, and to refresh this what you have to do is simply click the game here and enter the date of your account restoration. So I will select the date here, and then I will click on the proceed option from this account. Now let me just do that. So here on the screen I will click on view page option. After clicking on it, and you will get all the details about it, that how you can do it and how you can solve this issue. After that, you have to click on your internet connection setting, that your internet is working so fast right now, and because this type of error usually happens because of the internet connection. Make sure you have a correct internet connection, and if the problem is still, then you can simply restart your PC with clicking on the start button. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.